Alright, so in today's video, I'm opening the brand new Mega Evolution set. I've got a full booster box of 36 packs, and I can't wait to see what the pull rates are like. So let's get right into it. Alright, so here's the box. I've got my three friends off to the side here, Charizard, Blastoise, and Venusaur for good luck. Let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so this does come with the one additional, I believe, a Bulbasaur promo card. So that's going to be on the top here once we open it up. And yep, there it is right at the top. Let's pull that out. Centering doesn't look too bad. Looks a little bit right to left centering is a little bit off. Alright, put that to the side. And here we go. We've got 36 packs here. Let's go ahead and put one stack here. One stack here. Alright, so where do we start? We'll start on the right side here. First pack. There we go. New type of code card right there. Show that. Flip it over. We got Onyx, Lescue, Lopunny, Ninetales, Spiritomb, Ninetales reverse, Spearow reverse, and a Raikou. Next pack. We got a Bulbasaur, Shroudle, Energy, Heliolisk, Ninetales, Mega Signal. Oh, we got the Mega Kangaskhan as our first hit. Very nice. Next pack. Alright, so there's that code card once again. Magnemite, Vulpix, Riolu, Celebi, Solrock, and that was a Kyogre. Dropped it. Next pack. Corphish. Wow, so far we've got 1 for 4. Next pack up. Lily's Determination, Magnezone, and a Dialga. Very nice. Next pack up. So I should probably talk about price on these things. It's gone up quite a bit. Right off the rip, it's like around 300 bucks. If I can get this code card out, if anyone wants that. All right, Clauncher, Tank. I actually picked up this box from someone. Oh, very nice. Mega Latias EX. Pretty nice. I don't think I've seen anyone hit those gold cards yet. That'd be pretty cool if we can get one of those. Alright, Leaf, Electrike, Solrock, Crowdont. Wow, is this illustration rare? Pretty nice. Next pack. There we go. Curlia. Code card. Cloudser. Hariyama. Very nice. Alright, so far the pack hits are a little low. We've got 3. Code card. Baniri. Algunk. Magnezone. Iron Defense. Grumpig. Be aware there are no hits in here. Rare Candy. I need to hold these a little bit tighter. Grumpig, Shroudle, Veltail, exact same cards. I feel like we've seen those before. Spoink, Snover, Delibird, Toxicroak, Leo, Rare Candy, Alakazam with the Psychic Energy. Next pack up, here we go. Code card. Onyx, Magnemite, Lopunny, Pyroar, Hariyama, Kato. Ooh, Mega Abomasnow EX. Very nice card there. Next pack, here we go. Seedot, Ralts, Stuffle, Sizzlepede, Kadabra, Ninjask, Fighting Gong, Lily's Determination, Sizzlepede again, Lunatone, and nothing in there. Almost done with the first stack here. Vulpix, Kadabra, Ninjask, Fighting Gong, Mantine. Alright, next pack up. Here we go. Sandslash, Tangrowth, Stuffle, Raikou. Alright, here we go. 3 packs left at first stack. Snover. Oh, Shuckle. Wow, is that an illustration rare? Very nice. Looks pretty cool. Ganium. Another sign to beware. Chikorita. Abra. Tangrowth. Groudon, and Omega Gardevoir EX. Did we already get this? I feel like we did. Whoa, just dropped a whole bunch of cards there. Or just one. Delibird. Tangrowth, Surfing, Baniri, Sandshrew, another Dialga. Alright, so we're on to our last stack here. Fearow. Wow, Mystery Garden. Cool looking trainer there. Spoink, Electrike, Toxicroak, Latios. That one just fell out. Alright, next pack up. Got a Mantine. Mega Absol EX. I feel like we've pulled that already. Are we doubling up? Ninetales. Hariyama. We've pulled all those cards before, I believe. Next pack up. Here we go. Kyogre again. Next pack up. Oh well. slash Abra, Switch, Execute, Frostmoth, Spiritomb, Veltail, Tangela, Mega Signal, Alakazam, Stuffle. Is this the secret art? Very nice. Beware, Routes, Makuhita, Teleon, Scorbunny, and a Mega Lucario EX. Very nice. There we go. Miltank. Cernius. 9 more packs. Here we go. Last stretch. Let's see if we can do it. Drizzle. Let me hold these a little bit tighter here. Scorbunny, Young Goose, Strange Timepiece, Ganium again. Next pack. Alright. Chikorita, Strange Timepiece, Celebi, Magneton, Young Goose, and a Raikou with the water energy. Nothing in that pack. Bayleaf, Spearow, Onyx, Lily's Determination, Shiftry, and a Mega Venusaur EX. Got a little excited there. Got his brother right here, so very nice. Mantine, Miltank, Shroodle, Heliolisk, Snover, Electrike, Dialga, and Basic Energy. It looks like we'll have to pause there and resume. Alright, so apologies there, camera overheated, but we are back. We are down to our last 4 packs, so let's go ahead and finish this off. Signal, Fearow. Alright. Fish, Fearow, Litleo, Shiftry. Oh, Spiritomb, nice. I've seen this one before. I'm guessing that was our last hit, but who knows? Maybe we have one more out of the 2. Riolu, Vulpix, Seedot, Crawdont. Oh, Mega Lucario EX, that is sick. Okay, that's a nice card. I like how it has the Venusaur in the back too, that's pretty nice. Let's do it anyways, last pack magic. Sandshrew, Spearow, Crawdont, Iron Defense. Oh, we got another Mega Manectric EX. Did we double up? I think we just doubled up. Alright, this is not a bad looking card. Alright, let's take a look at all the bangers we just pulled. Mega Lucario, Manectric, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Not bad, that's about average from what I've been seeing from this booster box. So that's going to do it for today's unboxing of the Mega Evolutions booster box. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more unboxings. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of the new Mega Evolution set. And until next time, peace.